Are you looking for the perfect baby stroller but don't know where to start? Stay tuned, because today we present the top 5 baby strollers available on the market. And remember, you can find links in the description to check prices or buy them directly. Let's start with the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2. This stroller is known for its maneuverability and comfort. With all-terrain wheels and all-wheel suspension, it's perfect for city strolls or rough terrains. Its quick one-hand fold makes it extremely convenient for busy parents. Additionally, the padded and reclining seat with ventilation ensures maximum comfort for your baby. It has an adjustable canopy with UV 50+ protection to keep your little one safe from the sun, and a spacious storage basket to carry everything you need for your outing. Moreover, it is compatible with several travel systems, making it easy to switch between stroller and car without waking your baby. The height-adjustable handle makes it comfortable for parents of all heights to push the stroller. With its robust construction, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 is designed to last for many years, accompanying you on all your walks and adventures. It also features easy-access hand brakes for an extra layer of safety. The folding system is intuitive and can be done in one step, allowing for easy transitions between activities. Additionally, the City Mini GT2 has a large, easy-access storage basket, making it simple to carry everything you need without hassle. Next on our list is the Baby Zen Yo-Yo. This stroller is ultra-compact and lightweight, ideal for travel. It folds easily to fit in an airplane's overhead compartment. Weighing only 6.2 kilos, it can be carried as hand luggage. Despite its size, it is robust and offers a smooth ride. Comfort is not sacrificed with its well-padded seat cushion and 5-point harness that ensures your baby's safety. Its modular design allows for the addition of various accessories such as a bassinet, umbrella, and footrest. Additionally, the fabric is removable and machine washable, making cleaning easy after any adventure. Its 4-wheel suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride for your baby, no matter the terrain. The Baby Zen Yo-Yo also has a storage basket that, although compact, is surprisingly spacious and accessible, perfect for carrying daily essentials. The stroller includes a carry strap that allows you to carry it comfortably on your shoulder when not in use. Moreover, its extendable canopy provides excellent coverage against the sun and wind, and it has a small window so you can keep an eye on your baby at all times. The front swivel wheels make maneuvering in tight spaces very easy, which is especially useful in crowded areas like airports and shopping centers. Now let's talk about the Maxi Cozy 22 Kilo. This versatile stroller adapts to your child's growth from newborn to 22 kilo. Its seat can be adjusted to several positions, including a flat position for newborns. The Maxi Cozy is compatible with car seats, making it a complete travel system. Its robust design includes advanced suspension for a smooth ride, and its extendable canopy with ventilation window ensures your baby is comfortable and protected from the sun. The 5-point safety harness adjusts as your baby grows, and the removable bumper bar makes it easy to place and remove your baby from the stroller. Additionally, its storage basket is wide and accessible, perfect for carrying everything needed for a day out. The Maxi Cozy 22 Kilo also includes additional features such as a rain cover and a parent tray, making walks convenient and enjoyable. The stroller's frame is sturdy, yet lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. The wheels are large and feature a shock absorption system that ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The seat fabric is breathable and can be removed for washing, ensuring the stroller stays clean and fresh with little effort. It also has a centralized brake system that is easy to use and ensures the stroller stays firmly in place when parked. The Kinderkraft Grande Plus is another excellent option. This stroller is known for its durability and ease of use. It has a lightweight but sturdy chassis and folds easily for storage. The seat is wide and padded and can fully recline, making it suitable for babies from birth up to 15 kilos. The XXL canopy provides excellent sun protection and has a ventilation window to maintain airflow. The front swivel wheels with cushioning and lock ensure a smooth ride and easy maneuverability. It also includes a large, accessible storage basket and a parent tray with a cup holder, making walks comfortable for both parents and baby. The safety bar is removable, and the stroller includes a rain cover, ensuring you're prepared for any weather condition. The Kinderkraft Grande Plus is available in Europe and features a 5-point safety harness that keeps your baby secure at all times. Its quick and compact folding is ideal for parents on the go, and its sleek and modern design suits any style. Additionally, this stroller includes practical features like a foot cover and an additional cup holder. The rear wheels are large and equipped with brakes that engage with a simple touch, offering great safety. The stroller's frame is made of high-quality aluminum, ensuring its durability and strength without adding extra weight. The extra-large canopy effectively protects against the sun, rain, and wind, and has a window so you can keep an eye on your baby while strolling. Finally, we have the Even Flow Pivot. This stroller stands out for its modular design that allows it to be configured in 6 different modes, including travel system mode and traditional stroller mode. Its reversible seat allows your baby to face you or face forward. The front wheel suspension provides a smooth ride, and its canopy with integrated visor offers excellent sun protection. The SafeMax system includes a car seat base with side impact protection, ensuring your baby is safe during travel. The stroller also includes ample storage space, a parent tray with cup holders, and an easy fold system that makes it very convenient for everyday use. The adjustable safety harness and reclining seat ensure your baby's comfort and safety on every outing. Additionally, the Even Flow Pivot is available in the United States and comes with various useful accessories, such as a rain cover and a snack tray, making it a very complete option for any family. Its travel system includes a car seat that easily attaches to the stroller, allowing for seamless transitions between car and stroll. The stroller is designed with a sturdy frame and high-quality materials that ensure its durability and strength. Moreover, the wheels are large and feature an advanced suspension system that provides a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. The extendable canopy has a mesh window that allows for ventilation and lets you keep an eye on your baby while strolling. In summary, each of these strollers offers unique features that can suit different needs and lifestyles. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy walks with your little one. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information on these products and to make your purchase easily and quickly. Remember that these strollers have been selected not only for their quality, but also for the positive reviews from other parents. Whether you need something light and compact for frequent travel or a robust stroller for tougher terrains, this list has an option that will perfectly suit your lifestyle. For example, if you are a parent who enjoys outdoor activities, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 with its all-terrain wheels will be ideal for you. On the other hand, if you travel frequently, the Baby Zen Yo-Yo with its compact folding capability will be your best ally. No matter which one you choose, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and safe using it, knowing that your baby is protected and comfortable. Choosing the right stroller can make a big difference in your daily life, making walks easier and allowing you to enjoy more of those special moments with your little one. So take your time to consider each option, check the links in the description for more details, and choose the stroller that best suits your needs. Happy strolling! And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.